Hello friends, how are you all? Look at this delicious cakes. Wide variety of cakes available at KS Bakers. Today we'll talk about how do we grab this cakes at 50% off. Welcome to Flying Skies 1. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Flying Skies 1 and also hit the bell icon. We have ordered Black Forest cake and we got 50% off on this cake. Let's look at unboxing first. The packaging is very good. I got this picked from the store itself. So it had knife, matchsticks and also a candle for those of you who want to use it. The packaging is very good even for carrying it. It has a branding of KS Bakers around it. Let's look into it. We had this as a message, Happy Holidays, as it's a gift. It had cherries around it and chocolate flakes surround it. It's very delicious. We'll also try and grab a piece of it. This looks delicious. Also, it tasted very good. Now let's cut a piece of it. Yeah, it's very good. Now let's see how do we order this at 50% off. While I got this ad on Instagram, I clicked on it. It took me to the WhatsApp channel where you have a catalog of cakes available for you to order. Pick the one of your choice. So you can select multiple cakes as well at 50% off. Remember, this offer is valid till 27th December. I repeat, this offer is valid only till 27th December. We'll share you the WhatsApp number through which you can order these cakes. We picked Black Forest cake. So as you can see, the catalog has many cakes, including eggless ones. You can pick your choice. So once you select the choice of cake or cakes, you can just add to cart, and there are options to pay at the store or prepay the order. So I opted to pay at the store. The order was confirmed. Next day I got a message from KS Bakers and also a follow-up call confirming my order and when I can go and get my order. So I visited the store once the confirmation has come in, and I went there and collected the cake. The packaging was very good, and finally the cake also tasted yummy. Showing that again for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Flying Skies 1. Hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.